Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Is he here? No. Okay, he has left us. Mandela is here. Mandela Umogoro. Barrister Patrick Agazi is here. The other barristers have proceeded to where we're going to have a meeting. It's an A team. We worked very hard day and night to prepare for today's proceedings. I can tell you that all of us are disappointed. We were disappointed in that very court. And it's coming to a point where we're going to be disappointed in the entire judiciary. See, the judiciary is the arbiter in the society. When people are quarreling, before they come to blows, or even after they've come to blows, they go to the judiciary for salutary measures. When judiciary loses its own salt, it's calling for anarchy. Nnamdi Kanu is being detained under terrible conditions. Conditions that include deteriorating ill health. He has a worsening heart condition. He undressed his top today in court. He has 2 large boils in his armpit. That shows an extreme autoimmune reaction that requires special medical intervention that is not available at the DSS. A DSS cell is nothing but a glorified police cell. So it's our case that trial of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu cannot proceed without either giving him bail or transferring him out of that dungeon. The Supreme Court calls it equality of arms. If you're accusing someone of committing a crime, a heinous crime for that matter, you don't tie his hands behind his back because your hands are not tied behind your back. You leave his hands free to defend himself, one blow to one blow, pound for pound, arm for arm, unless it's a trial by ordeal. So the denial of bail today is a travesty of justice. We are going to the Court of Appeal, and hopefully we are going to overturn it. And by 17th April, next month, God willing, we shall have 3 applications, fresh applications, before the court to consider that will bring the necessary conditions for trial to ensue. The government has indicated that it's interested in accelerated trial. We too, we are interested in more than accelerated trial because we are impatient to clear our client's name. He did no wrong. From 2015, which is almost a decade ago, treasonable felony, defending the president, importation of radio equipment. Now, none of those is on the charge sheet anymore. They are charging him for terrorism and membership of a proscribed organization. So this thing has turned to a fishing expedition. Arrest the man, hold him, and look for any offense to charge him. They don't have any scintilla of evidence to share the fit them in court. But that trial must be conducted under an atmosphere of equality of arms, otherwise known as fair hearing. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Any question?
Do you know that Nigeria are chopping palm kernel? Do you really believe in palm kernel? The man that sang this song is no more. But he saw it earlier, and he bring it to your notice on time. Nigeria will keep eating palm kernel until they will not even see palm kernel to eat. But this morning, the reason why I bring this to your notice is that Biafra is moving slow and steady. Slow and steady. Those who doesn't believe in Biafra have been thrown overboard. It's only the children of the Most High God that will live to testify the goodness of the Most High. It was not meant for everybody. Many are called, few are chosen. And even among the chosen one, there are the selected that will fulfill this historical movement. If you are among Kelechuku, the last phase, only one prophecy remain. Just one prophecy remain. And that one prophecy by the great prophet Nnamdi Kanu is about to be fulfilled. Those who are the true disciples from the beginning will know about the prophecy. And the prophecy say that it will come to the time they will call him and beg him, carry these people, go, carry your people, go and leave us alone. That is the last phase of the struggle, the last prophecy that will soon come to pass. And that is why I started this by reminding you the song sung by the great legends of Nollywood. Though many of them did not believe in Biafra, it's just like many of them in football, many footballers do not believe in Biafra. Many actors does not believe in Biafra, except one man we love so much. We knew them. We know all of them. Many of them does not believe in Biafra. But sometimes they will, out of their ignorance, also prophesy what will happen in future. The same way many musicians does not believe in Biafra. But many a time, they also sang what will fall, the calamity that will befall Nigeria. And that is what is happening. Do you know Nigeria, they chop and kernel? Do you really know Nigeria, they chop and kernel? And I say, they will remain chopping pan kernel until there will be no pan kernel for them to chop. Yes, I'm telling you the gospel truth. Today is 19 March 2024. We are not going back. As I told you that Biafra is moving slow and steady until we reach our destination. No looking back, no stopping, and no retrieve, no surrender. And I say, and I reaffirm it once again, that those who say Biafra will not come have been thrown overboard. And those who will see rise tomorrow to say Biafra cannot come will remain, will still be thrown overboard. And those who will wake up and say over their dead body with Biafra be restored, they will die never to see Biafra being restored. No two ways about that. We are the children of the Most High, the children of the rising sun. And the sun this morning is about to set from the east, and so shall it remain. Good morning to all Biafrans all over the world, depending where you are watching this very broadcast from. Believe you me, the land of the rising sun, it is a very lovely morning. And a K market day, the first day, the creation day, to be precisely. The Chukwu Kika Abiyama continue to bless you as you remain a blessing to humanity. May the enemies of Biafra keep on vanishing, keep disappearing, keep dying, and they will never see good because they hate good. They will never see peace because they hate peace. They will never live because they kill so many lives. And I say, Nigeria will remain chopping pankane forever and ever. What do you say? You say...
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.